What is swing trading? Swing trading is the trading based on the market cycle. It goes up and down, up and down. So whenever it is making swing high, then you need to sell. Then whenever it is coming to swing low, you need to buy. So that may be for 1 day, 2 day, 4 day, 5 day, or 1 week, 2 week, depending upon the when it forms. So swing may be considered for 1 week, weekly to 2 weeks. So that swing trading you can do. How you can do? You can so if you are position, let us say you are a positional trader, or positional is for 1 month. You came to swing bottom, then your analysis says that so for that you need to use central pivot range, weekly central pivot range, or daily central pivot range, higher time frame central pivot range. What is the best? I'm telling you, if suppose for day trading you are using 5 minutes candle central pivot range. For weekly you need to use daily central pivot range. So that higher time frame central pivot range, that I will share you in another video. So based on that, your view is that if your market goes up, then swing low you need to buy, and for that buying you can buy with one share also. In case of stocks, in case of bank nifty or nifty, you can sell call option or put option. Okay, so if suppose market is going up, so I don't want to make this more complicated by telling you call option, put option. So in future lot also you can do, or if you want to test in stocks, so what you do in stocks, you buy one lot, one share, one stocks. So you can sell it at higher level. So likewise, I will tell you for swing trading which methods you can use it. If you have a very good capital, you go for swing trading also. Good. Okay, for swing trading, we will not use 5 minutes time frame, because 5 minutes time frame is not sufficient to check that swing trading, understand swing trading. Okay, so how this is helping? So understand swing trading concept. Actually, Oliver Velez, who is the very good trainer, he has coined this swing trading name, and he is a very humble trader. Now you understand this is becoming a swing low. It is a wide CPR and it is away from wide CPR, and bullish candle formation happened. Once bullish candle formation happens, in second also retracement. Okay, in this retracement you entered. Okay, in this retracement you entered. So this is swing low. You bought, by considering this, you bought one future lot. So it is going up. So this second day, this is gap up opening, very fast gap up opening. And remember, in this gap up, there is CPR. So it is falling. So here you can sell it. Okay. So when you bought on 20th, you bought on 23rd, you are selling. Check it, swing high. Again, if you not sold that time, again it came and tested this very important level. Again you bought by considering this bullish candle. Again it is going up and up. There is no clear cut. This is even red candle above the CPR. Then again go up. This is here some little resistance is there. Here you can sell it. So what is becoming this trading? Similar kind of trading, you bought it on 23rd when swing low happened, and you sold it on 25th. Okay, somewhere morning session. So 3 to 4 days you have patience to wait this, and by this 180 reversal you bought it, and then you can sell it here. This is a very effective swing trading. Okay. Now you know that market reached at top. Nifty I'm talking about. It is at top and it is forming and doji candles for hourly time frame. Check it, hourly time frame. It is forming doji candles. Where the doji candles are forming at swing high. Okay, this is a top, and that also you can do. But detailed course of swing trading, I have different course. That just I have given one example because you can register for that. Okay, thank you for your compliments. I will